Hi guys, this video is only for educational purposes only. So in this video I will talking about capacitor calculations on how are you going to figure two capacitors and your voltage range capacitors, parallels and series. So we're going to start in parallels capacitors. So we got two capacitors in parallel. So we just keep in mind that capacitors are opposite from the resistors. So and it is supposed to be right there. This one will supposed to be a 10 UF or 10 microfarad, and now in parallel 10 microfarad. In parallel we add CT or C total of C1 plus C2 plus C so on. So C total equals 10 plus 10 equals CT equals 20 microfarad. That's it. So the voltage of this, and it will be voltage, and it will be 10 voltage. Yes, for 100 voltage and 10 voltage, supposed to be 100 voltage and 10 voltage, so we take the lowest value of 10, so that will be a voltage is equals to 10. That's it. So now let's get into series capacitors. We got two capacitors in series, the C1 and C2. Suppose it is 10 microfarad. This is like our resistors in parallel. They will divide. Now in this case, we decide 10 over 2, or 10 divided by 2 equals 5. What you're gonna do is C1 times C2 over C1 plus C2 equals 10 times 10 and 10 plus 10. It's like that. So equal of 100 over 20. So it is 5. The answer is 5. This setup here is only for capacitor in series. As you get more than 2, you will do reciprocal. Reciprocal is 1 over 10, 1 over CT or C total equals 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10, and now 2 over 10. You need to flip it down for it to will be divide 10 over 2, so equals 5 microfarad. That's it. So when they're in a series, your voltage rating is suppose 100 volts and a 10 volts. So in this case, the volts total is that volts total is C1 plus C2, 100 plus 10 volts equals 110 volts. So that's it from my calculations, and if you have questions, please comment down below. Thank you guys. God bless.